You should only be in this video if you are wiring to a one channel amp that is 2 ohm stable. You're trying to wire in 3 subwoofers and they are all 3 single voice coil subs. If that is what you have, you've made it. You're almost there. One more question. We'll move into that. If that is not what you have, I need you to click on the link below to pull you out of the loop. That way we can figure out where we went wrong. We'll get the right information, and then that way when we bring you back in, then you are actually then in the right spot. That way you get the correct wire diagram. I win, you win, we all win. I'd like to start off by saying hi to everybody, all the current subscribers, and all you guys who are going to be the new subscribers. I want to thank you for coming to the channel. So right now, what we need to know is the ohm load of your subwoofer. Is it 2 or 4 ohm? Now this is per coil, okay? Even if it's just one or if it's dual, it's all gonna be the same. So it is either each coil is 2 ohm or each coil is 4 ohm. So click on the little tab up here in the corner, select your parts in those links. If you're not sure the ohm load of your subwoofers or even how to find that information, then down below the video in the description, there's a link in there that will take you to another area where I better explain exactly what an ohm load is, how to identify it, you know, where you can find out what your what it is that you have. So, and within those links is another link to bring you back. So if you're not sure, click on the link below. That's going to take you somewhere where I'm going to try to help you figure this out. Once we figure it out, there'll be a link in there to bring you back over here. That way we can go ahead and keep on moving forward.